Hi guys, today I'm back with some more earrings with nail foils. So I'm just going to do a quick base. I'm going to use the middle size, and I've just added some black glitter to some epoxy resin. And I'm just going to fill these up and let them cure for 48 hours before we go to the next step. Now you could use UV resin and glitter, or you could use a black ink and epoxy resin. You could use a completely different color. It really doesn't matter. Now I will let those sit, pop any bubbles that appear, and I will be back for the next step. So as you can see, that has just given me a really flat base to work with. Now I'm going to go in with the same nail foil set that I used last week. I used this one last week. I am going to go in with this lace number today. So it's got a holographic pattern with lace. It is really pretty, hence why we're using the black base again today. So I'm just going to go in as usual with some nail foil glue, and I'm just going to lay down a base, making sure that the whole surface is covered. Okay, and I'm just going to go in now with that. I kind of want to try and even up make sure I get one of these roses on there. Just sort of manipulate that. Now I'm just going to press them down, make sure there's no air bubbles, and I'm just going to drag over my UV lamp, put them under for 90 seconds. Okay, they've had 90 seconds. So I'm just going to grab my little sanding block. I'm just going to sand down these little excess bits here. And when I say sand, I'm just going to rub them off, basically. I'm not going to sand the actual resin. And then I probably will go around the edges with an alcohol wipe just to remove the sticky residue. And I'll be back with the next step. So they've had their little sand. And now I'm just going to go in with a small dab of UV resin. Now I've just got to find out where that hole is, there and there, because I'm just going to spread it to the edges and try to not fill in the hole. So sort of bring it around the hole that was already formed when we did the base. That way there's no drilling. Okay, I'll let them settle for a little second, and then I'm just going to bring over my UV lamp, and I'm going to really give them a good 2 to 3 minutes under there just to make sure that top piece is hard. And there you have it, guys, a finished product. And haven't they turned out super nice? I will never get old of that holographic pattern. It is just gorgeous. Now, I have just taken my little mold from Etsy, and I've made some black resin top parts, and I've just domed them with the clear UV resin on the top just to give them some pop as well. I've added a jump ring and a back. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin craft. Bye, guys.